Firstly, I must tell you that we have Sanjay Garg with us. His brand Raw Mango is just produces some of the best, creates some of the best saris. I've worn a lot of them, and we have Vandana Tiwari, who is from Vogue, as you all know. She's a features editor. So they actually are the ones who are going to do all the talking. I can only say that I love wearing handlooms. I do that all the time. I think I've seen my mom wear cotton saris all her life. Cottons, Kanjivaram, so that's what I grew up on. So which is where my love for saris comes from, and which is where my love for handlooms comes from. I still have memories of, around festivals, there would be people, these small, what could you call them, traders who would just bring, bags of saris from
In a
Chennai.
potli kind of thing.
Yeah, from Chennai, from Andhra, from Bengal. And the women in the community or in the neighborhood would get together and buy saris from them. So that's been my exposure to handlooms really. And then I've had the good fortune to wear some of the best handloom creations today, thanks to these designers, people like Sanjay Garg, who are really responsible for this revival. So all I can say is that I love wearing them, and I think everyone in the country should only be wearing handlooms because that is something, it's part of our, it's not just heritage, it's very cool.
Yes.
It's, you can do a lot with it, and I think people the world over are waking up to the charm, the elegance, the extravagance of the handloom. So we must celebrate it first.